Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Haminations. It's going to be Bryson for Haminations. It's going to be simple, easy, just the head. Let's get started. Super simple. Super short lesson. Let's do it together, okay? So right here I'm going to start with a curve. And he's going to have an angry expression in this. Just to kind of vary up the expressions. Curve to the top. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to have an... so we have that curve shape. This is going to be higher up than that side. Just kind of take note of that. Going to go over here on this side and I'm going to go find an S curve, right, for the hair. Very simple S curve. So far so good. Keep curving up a little bit. Pull a line back. Pretty much going right back into another S curve. Going to go up here. And then we're going to pull another S curve. The hair. Up right there. There's just S curves all over the place. That one's going to go all the way down here. So far, so good. Say hi in the comments. By the way, hit the like button if you enjoy, Bryson. I'll draw more of him. Just let me know because I gotta let me know what to do on the channel. I'll absolutely do it. Gonna go right here. So it's gonna be a line across. Top right there. Go over here. Curve. 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 One more curve. And that's representing the underside of his hair, right? As he's doing that. So just gonna keep that in mind. Let's move on here. And his eye is gonna be kind of we're gonna give him his angry-ish eyes. So line over here across. Right there on that side, and line over here on this side. It's gonna be represent the top of the eye. Gonna go right here, and if you look right there, keep looking. I'm gonna go right here down. I'm gonna pull downward, and I'm gonna curve up right here. Gonna go over here on this side, curve downward, then curve up. Fill it out over here. Like so. And we're going to fill this area as well. Just completely fill it up. He doesn't tend to have these highlights, I noticed. I have noticed that. There's just not a lot of highlights going on. Sweet. Like so. All right, and he's already got a little bit of an angry look, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of a line right here. So thick line for the eyebrow right there, like he's kind of scrunching his eyebrows. Go over here on this side, it's a little bit of a curve. Pull out like that. And then another S curve. Like so. If you want, I think he looks a little whatever, so I'm going to pull this a little bit up on this side to give it more of an angry look. Same thing over here. I'm going to pull that a little bit up just to fill that out. All right, right there and right there. Take a look at yesterday's video. I did a Godzilla video. Go take a look at that right after. Now the last step is I'm going to draw a thicker line around the outside. So go over here. This is kind of like the finishing touch. Don't forget, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification if you can. Basically, it helps the channel algorithm out, and also it just kind of it's good for you. It's if I'd be very humbled if I'm worth your time. Please consider subscribing. I'm posting videos every single day, and I'm constantly kind of trying to evolve the channel to kind of help everybody out. Curve around here, down over here. Like so. And over here as well. Just kind of, again, thickening out these lines. If you like learning how to draw something cute, go check out the Cute Drawing ebook. It's in the description. Basically, it's an entire booklet on how to draw something cute, basically. Go take a look at that. So, like, well, how do you draw something cute, right? Basically, it's all in proportion, right? It's a bigger head, smaller body. It's not about the size of something, like overall on the paper. It is the size of something compared to something else, like the head compared to the body, the eyes compared to the mouth, compared to the rest of the head. And I put all that stuff in a simple printout formula. I put it very, very simple, very easy to follow. And the cool part is nothing to learn. You just kind of look at it and then boom, you know exactly, what's going on. But definitely take a look at that. That is, like completely free. It's my gift to you. And there we go. That is an angry Bryson. If you want more Bryson, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Stick around, by the way. Go check out the video of Godzilla in the little thumbnail here. Take a look.